Up everyone, welcome back to Fake Bougie. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I did this beautiful install by just using freeze spray. This hair is from Junoda Hair Company. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but we're going to get right into it. Okay, so this is the box that the hair came in. Junoda, I love their packaging. I just wanted to add that. And so they also included some goodies when they sent the hair. So you get this goodie bag. It came with a scrunchie. It came with this booklet that details care for the hair as well as their social media handles and information. This wig cap, an edge brush with the comb, some really cute eyelashes. They also sent this headband that you use for install, and this is the bag that the hair came in. I love that they put this information on the outside of the bag to let you know exactly what you got so you can double check your order. And this is the hair, super beautiful. This is their 24-inch 5x5 kinky curly lace closure wig. It is pre-plucked, and the wig was very beautiful even though I did have to bleach the knot. So it does come with 4 combs and also the sizable elastic bands in the back. And the curl pattern was just really cute. The curls held up well during the wash too. It didn't get extremely dry or tangled, which I was very happy to see because there's nothing worse than dealing with tangled, kinky textured hair. And so yeah, this hair is, well, the unit itself is very well constructed. You can definitely tell that it is of good quality even though it's at a really affordable price compared to a lot of other hair companies. And the lace, you can see, is already really perfect. Like, I didn't really have to do anything besides bleach the knots. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the wig cap that I have on. I did it before starting this video just to make it a little quicker so I can focus on the actual install process. And to do my wig cap, all I did was use some Got To Be spray, and then I put my concealer on it to blend in with my skin tone, but I honestly didn't need it because this wig was fine after I bleached the knots. And so this is the wig, so I'm just gonna put it over just to see like how I want it positioned. And since I'm not gonna use glue, this is gonna be like super quick and easy. So I'm just gonna tie the hair that's in the front of my face back. We'll clip it back. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my comb to comb the hairs. Make sure that they're straight. You don't want it to be tangled when you spray it in any kind of way. You want to make sure that everything's just straight and just ready, prepped and ready to go. And so after I have that stuff lined up, I'm going to go ahead and pull a little section down, not baby hair, not at the baby hairline, but a little further back than that, but not like into the scalp, because at this point you're just making sure that it's secure to your head. So not the area that you would put glue in, but a little further back than that. I don't really know how to explain it. Just know it's not a big part. It's just a little behind where you would do baby hair. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just going in with the Got To Be freeze spray. I did a quick line, and then I'm going in with my hair dryer on the highest setting. And I'm just making sure that it is fully dry. And I'm focusing on the ends more so, like the sides of it versus not the middle. And so at this point, I'm just combing it back. It's not 100% dry, but it's not damp at all. And so I'm just combing it back, again, making sure that it is in place where I want it to be. And so now I'm just going back in with my freeze spray just to do one more coat of it, I guess you could say. And so in this video, my nozzle was a little tweaked, so it sprayed more on the hair, but you want to focus it more so on the lace on your forehead, not so much going into the hair. So yeah, just a little tip, don't pay attention to what I did. My nozzle was messed up, but yeah, my focus was the hairline itself, not so much the hair. You don't want it in the hair, you want as little in the hair as possible. So after I comb it back a little bit, again, keeping any tangles out, I'm gonna go ahead with my elastic band and tie that around my head. And after I get in the elastic band in really good and really secure, I'm going to go in with my Junoda headband, which is really great for when you go to sleep, to keep your lace really tight and really good. But I'm going to use it for this install too, just to give me a little bit extra security. And so once I let that sit for about 20 minutes, if you want it quicker, you can just use the blow dry again for about 5 minutes. You're just trying to make it dry. So I couldn't find my razor, so I'm using scissors to cut through the lace. And you see, if you look closely, I'm not cutting it. I never close the scissors. I'm just like using the sharpness of the scissors to cut along it. And by doing that, it's mostly acting as a razor sort of, because it's not going to be a blunt, clean cut. It's going to be jagged. It's going to be a little messy, which is what you want, because anytime a cut is straight, it looks very wiggy and very unnatural, because you know nobody has like a straight perfect hairline. It would just look weird. So next, because like I said, I accidentally put a lot on the hair instead of the hairline, so I'm just going in and like smoothing that out, like pulling the hair up and then combing the front of the hair out, just to make sure any stiffness is gone, because we do not want stiff hair at all. If you make the same mistake I did, you can also use water, spraying water and targeting it towards the hair and then combing it through. Not spraying the water close to the lace, but combing it towards that area will help break it down too. So this next part, I'm going to work on my part off camera, because it's hard to do it on camera, especially with curly hair. But if you want to see how I do my parts, I will have a video linked below, which I show that up close. And so now, since the hair is curly, it loves water, well, kinky curly, so I am spraying it with just water. And then I'm going to take my scissors again and do a razor cut for some baby hairs, which this wig, you honestly don't need baby hairs. I just wanted to do it to just kind of jazz the look up a little bit, but it's definitely not necessary with this install. So if you don't know how to do baby hairs, that's fine. It still looks very, very natural without the baby hairs. And so I just did my little swoops real quick. I used some Eco Styler to hold them. You can also use Got to Be spray by spraying it on the edge brush and then brushing it. This is my Cantu wax stick, and I'm brushing that in right now. It just helps to make sure the top of your lace on the unit is very straight and pressed down. Alright, and so that is the last step, and then you are done. Look at how great this install turned out, y'all. I absolutely love this hair. It turned out super, super cute. I can't really speak to an overall review of the hair itself, but I can say this install process was super easy. So their lace was really great, very undetectable. As you can see, I'm doing the comb test and the lift test, and it's very undetectable, looks very natural. As I said before, you really don't need baby hairs. I just wanted to add them just to be extra for you too. But you really don't need it. The hair, it has so much body, it has so much life. So make sure you all check out the Junoda Hair Company. I will have a link to this wig as well as their website and some other information listed below. So make sure you all check that out. Definitely loving this wig. This is definitely worth it. Make sure you all check them out. Like I said, their information will be linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay bougie.